Hello, I'm Pauline, a physiotherapist from Sengkang General Hospital. This is the second installment of our 3-part video series on limb loss rehabilitation. If you haven't watched the first video, please do so as you can learn about the general care and tips. In this video, we will be demonstrating bed exercises. Before we start, please ensure safety during exercise by setting up a safe environment. If you have someone present, please keep them close by for supervision. During the exercise, listen to your body and stop if you experience chest pain, headache, dizziness, cold sweat, severe muscular or joint pain. If you feel any of the symptoms or other discomfort, please consult a doctor for medical advice. Now, let's go through the exercises together. These exercises are easy to follow and can be done safely on the bed. Sit on the bed with the sound limb off the bed. Straighten the thumb, leg and back. Now, try to lean the chest forward towards the knee. Keep the back and knee straight. You should feel the stretch in the hamstring. Hold it for 30 seconds and repeat 3 to 5 times. Lie on the bed, bring the sound limb towards the chest while keeping the thumb leg flat on the bed. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds and repeat 3 to 5 times. The next 4 exercises are for strengthening. Please do them for 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Tighten stomach muscles to bring the head, shoulders, and knees up. Make sure the back is flat and in contact with the bed. Bend the sound knee and lift up both buttocks. Roll to the sound side, straighten the thumb leg, and lift it upwards. Be mindful to keep the hips straight. You may repeat this exercise on the sound limb too. Lay face down on the bed. Place palms onto the bed and extend the elbows as much as you can. We're done with the bed exercises. Please continue to watch the next video for more challenging exercises in standing.